My name is Aubrey and I am a family medicine physician. I actually grew up in Seneca, so it's good to be back home. I trained for my medical school down in Charleston, South Carolina, and then I did residency in Greenwood, South Carolina. Prior to moving back to Seneca, I was practicing in Los Angeles, California, and so I'm very happy to have moved back home, and I'm looking forward to being here in the community that I grew up in. I chose family medicine because I had grown up in a family where my father was a family medicine physician also, and he just always really loved taking care of his patients and their whole families, and I always thought that that was the kind of epitome of what being a doctor was taking care of families together. And so I really love being able to take care of whole families, from delivering babies all the way through taking care of patients when they're in the nursing home, and even as they're passing away, I like to be able to be involved in all those aspects of care. What keeps me interested in my work is, I guess the great thing about family medicine really is that you don't have to do the same thing every day, day after day. I think family medicine is great because there's a lot of variety in your day, from doing women's health procedures and taking care of children and taking care of pregnant women and taking care of just adults with, whatever health problems they have. I really like being able to have the variety of interactions. So my favorite part of family medicine are probably the women's health and doing women's health procedures, and I just really love working with other women, and just kind of making sure that they're having the best health that they can. My style of practice, I would say, is one where I like to partner with patients and really empower them by giving them the information they need, and helping them make a good decision to whatever treatment or procedure that they feel is necessary. I really want to just help educate and come alongside my patients so that they can be empowered to care for themselves. I chose Prisma Health because this was home for me. I was actually born here at Greenville Hospital System. My father had been practicing here for a long time, so for me this was really just like coming home. I have a lot of interests outside of healthcare. I have 4 children that I enjoy spending time with. And as a family, we love to go camping and just lots of outdoor activities that we like to do together. So I think the advice that most patients resonate with would be just to not be afraid to ask questions, and also just to really trust your doctor. I think it's just really important to find a doctor that you trust. And so if the doctor that you're seeing, if you're not trusting them, then I would say that's a good reason to, maybe find a different doctor. And hopefully, as a physician, I can really gain my patients' trust so that they can trust me, and we can work together for their health. If you'd like to make an appointment with me, please call the number on this website.